Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to explain you about sequence and series. In previous lecture, I have discussed about sum of n terms of an AP. Okay, if there is a series or sequence in AP, that is arithmetic progression, then how can you find sum of n terms given in AP? Now I am going to explain you how to introduce n number of arithmetic mean between two given number. And what is an arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. So arithmetic mean is a number which when placed between two number, it can form an AP, arithmetic progression. Just like see, we can see if A and B are two numbers, if A and B are two numbers, then arithmetic mean is given by arithmetic mean is equal to A plus B by 2. Now see, we can check if we place this number between these two A and B, that A plus B by 2 and here B. Can you check whether now this is a sequence having three terms, whether it is in AP or not? So a sequence is said to be in AP if the common difference remains same. And what is common difference? The difference between two consecutive terms should be same. So common difference here, A plus B by 2 minus A, that will give you A plus B minus 2A by 2. What will you get? B minus A by 2. Here this is common difference. Let's check here it is same or not. So B minus A plus B by 2. Now 2B minus A minus B upon 2. Okay. Will it be same? Yeah. B minus A by 2. So see, here the common difference is B minus A by 2. Here the common difference is B minus A by 2. Since the common difference is same, that's why these numbers are said to be AP. And between these two numbers, this is an arithmetic mean. Means if two numbers are given, you can find their arithmetic mean. How? By adding them and dividing by 2. But question is that when you have to introduce more than one arithmetic mean between two given number, then how will you introduce? Let me explain. Now see, let A and B are two given numbers and we have to introduce, suppose three arithmetic mean between these two numbers. So these arithmetic means are A1, A2, A3. Is it clear? Okay. So see, now this sequence will become an AP. Which first term is A? Which last term is B? Since three terms we have introduced in between A and B, so total how many terms? 3 plus 2. 2 already they were A and B, and 3 we have introduced. So total number of terms are 5 now. So and fifth term is B. So T5 is equal to A, means this is first term, plus how many terms? 5. 5 minus 1 into D. Okay, and T5 is B, so B is equal to A plus 5 minus 1 into D. It implies that B minus A by 4 is equal to D. This is D, means common difference. Here the first term is known. If you want to find second term, then first term plus d will give you second term. This implies that a1 is equal to a plus d, okay, and a2 is equal to a plus 2d, a3 is equal to what? A plus 3d. In this way we can find different arithmetic means, since d is known now in terms of given number a and b. So in general case, if we have to introduce n number of arithmetic mean, then how will you introduce? So see, here this is the formula. If a and b are two given numbers and we have to introduce n arithmetic mean between these two a and b numbers, then you have to calculate first d. For n arithmetic mean, this d will be equal to b minus a upon, see here we had introduced 3, okay, so 3 plus 1. Here we are going to introduce n arithmetic mean, so here it will come n plus 1. So by using this formula we can calculate d, and thereafter adding in previous term we can find all the arithmetic means. Okay, by taking some example I am going to explain. There is a question that insert 4 arithmetic mean between 3 and 23. Between 3 and 23, insert 4 arithmetic mean. How many arithmetic mean? 4 arithmetic mean you have to insert. Then first of all calculate b is equal to b minus a. This first term a and last term is b. So b minus a upon n plus 1 formula is applied, and b is 23 minus a is 3 divided by n plus 1. N is what? 4. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 20 upon 5. This is 4. Okay. So d is your 4. Which implies d is 4. Now d is known. First term is known. So what is second term here? Now first arithmetic mean, that is a plus d. That is 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Second arithmetic mean a plus 2d, and it will be equal to 3 plus 2 into 4, 8, means 11. Okay, 4 to the 8 plus 3, 11. Okay, now a3, what? A plus 3d. This is equal to what? 3 plus 12, 15. A4, this is 3 plus 4d, 16, is equal to 19. So these all are 4 arithmetic means. In this way we can solve other questions. If you are given two numbers and you are asked to insert some of the arithmetic means between two given numbers. Let me solve some more questions. Okay, find arithmetic mean between 6 and 12. Your question is that you are given two numbers 6 and 12. You have to find arithmetic mean. Here you are not given that how many arithmetic means you have to calculate. So if you are not given number of arithmetic mean to insert, only you are asked to find arithmetic mean, means arithmetic mean is equal to this a plus b 6 plus 12 by 2. This implies that 18 by 2 is equal to 9. 9 is your arithmetic mean. And next, insert 3 arithmetic mean between 5 and 17. Another question is, you are given 5 and 17 and you have to insert 3 arithmetic means 3 arithmetic mean between this. Here n is equal to 3. Then 3 arithmetic mean you have to insert. Okay, 3 arithmetic means you have to insert. Then this is A, this is B. I have already explained. First you can calculate common difference by using the formula that B minus A upon n plus 1. N is the total number of arithmetic mean that you want to insert. B is the last number, A is your first number. So 17 minus 5 divided by 3 plus 1, 4. This implies 12 by 4 is equal to 3. So D is 3. Now first arithmetic mean A plus D. A is 5, D is 3. This is 8. A2, A plus 2D. A plus 2D. What is A? A is 5 plus 2 3 is 6. 11. Okay. A3. A plus 3D. This implies what is A? A is 5 and 3 into 3, 9. This implies how much? Here I can write 14. So these are 3 arithmetic means 4, 11 and 14. You can insert, thus your sequence is 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. You can check. This is NAP. Okay. So you can solve all other remaining questions. Thank you so much.